Picture this, it's 2 a.m. and your CRM webhook has just crashed. Every lead from your midnight product launch is now stuck in a digital purgatory, and your revenue stream is frozen in time. This isn't a hypothetical scenario, it's a reality for operators who rely too heavily on automation without understanding its pitfalls. Today, we're diving into the gritty truth about AI and automation in business, not as shiny tools, but as infrastructure that can make or break your operations. Let's start by addressing a common misconception. AI is not just a set of tools, it's the architecture of your decision making process. When we treat I like a magic wand, we miss its true value. It's about creating systems that reduce human dependency, not just automating tasks for convenience. The goal is to leverage automation as a force multiplier, not as a crutch. Most businesses misuse AI because they focus on tools rather than systems. They get caught up in the hype and forget that the real magic happens when AI is integrated into the very fabric of their operations. This is where many operators get it wrong. They see AI as a quick fix, but in reality, it's about building a resilient infrastructure that can withstand pressure, like the 2 a.m. webhook failure. The hidden cost of bad systems is immense. It's not just about lost revenue, it's about the mental load, decision fatigue, and the resentment that builds when you're constantly firefighting instead of strategizing. When systems work, there's a sense of calm and clarity. When they don't, you're left juggling too many balls in the air, and one crash can bring everything down. Let's talk about real world examples. When automation succeeds, it's seamless. Your CRM automatically updates, your leads flow smoothly, and your team can focus on what they do best, closing deals and driving growth. But when it fails, it exposes every weak link in your chain. The difference is in how these systems are implemented and maintained. It's about understanding failure modes and planning for them, not just hoping they'll never happen. Here's a truth many operators miss. Automation isn't about removing humans from the equation. It's about freeing them to do higher level work. When your team isn't bogged down by repetitive tasks, they can focus on strategic initiatives that drive your business forward. But this only happens when systems are designed with intention and foresight. Now, why does this actually matter? Because if you ignore this for another year, your business will continue to be reactive instead of proactive. You'll be stuck in a cycle of patching holes instead of building a ship that sails smoothly. The mental toll on your team will only increase, and your competitive edge will dull. In conclusion, AI and automation are not about convenience. They're about leverage. They're about building systems that work under pressure, freeing your team to focus on growth, and creating an infrastructure that supports long-term success. It's time to rethink how you implement these technologies and ensure that your systems are designed to withstand the inevitable challenges.